In this episode, I'll describe the typical expectations for short, constructed response writing and how to move students from composing a basic response to a more polished one. Although this PD mini-series focuses on writing, students write about reading. This includes summarizing a text, analyzing it, evaluating it, or even comparing two texts. Although there are many purposes to write, this episode will specifically focus on composing short, constructed responses to comprehension questions or prompts. The expectations for this type of writing are found in state reading standards, which require that students go beyond simply choosing the right answer to demonstrating comprehension through brief, written responses. In fact, this is a common question format that students face on standardized reading tests where the stakes are high.